Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious and easy thumbs-up smoothie. This simple method ensures you can whip up a healthy treat in no time, perfect for a quick breakfast or a refreshing snack. We'll go through gathering your fresh ingredients, blending them perfectly, and enjoying a nutritious drink that will give you a boost. Get ready to create a fantastic smoothie with minimal effort and maximum flavor, all in just a few easy steps. To create our amazing thumbs-up smoothie, you'll need just a few key ingredients. Start with one ripe banana, which provides natural sweetness and a creamy texture. Next, add 1 cup of your favorite mixed berries, packed with antioxidants and vibrant flavor. Don't forget 1/2 cup of fresh spinach for an extra nutrient boost. You won't even taste it. Finally, pour in 1 cup of almond milk and 1 tablespoon of chia seeds for a perfect, healthy blend. Now for the fun part, blending. Carefully combine all your prepared ingredients into a high-speed blender. Make sure to secure the lid tightly before you begin to prevent any spills. Blend on high for approximately 60 seconds or until the mixture is completely smooth and creamy. If you prefer a thinner consistency, feel free to add an extra splash of almond milk or water. This quick process ensures a perfectly blended smoothie every time. Your delicious thumbs-up smoothie is now ready to enjoy. Carefully pour the freshly blended mixture into a tall glass. For an extra touch, you can garnish it with a few extra berries or a fresh mint sprig. It's best to drink your smoothie immediately to savor its maximum freshness and nutritional benefits. This recipe yields 1 generous serving, making it a perfect, quick, and healthy option for any time of day. Enjoy your fantastic creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.